Ready to make an impact? Let's create magic together. Dreaming of a charming, rustic farmhouse that is aesthetic? Let's transform your home into a cozy country retreat. This video will guide you through essential farmhouse design elements, from color palettes to furniture choices and decor accents. Get ready to infuse your space with warmth, comfort, and timeless appeal. Establishing the farmhouse color palette. A farmhouse is more than just a house, it's a feeling. Let's start by creating the perfect atmosphere. A farmhouse color palette is typically characterized by its neutral base. Think soft whites, creams, and gentle grays. These colors create a serene and inviting atmosphere, essential for the farmhouse look. Introduce earthy tones like sage green, muted blues, and warm browns to add depth and character. These colors evoke a connection to nature, a key element of farmhouse style. While neutrals dominate the farmhouse palette, a pop of color can add personality. Consider incorporating a bold accent color like deep navy, terracotta, or mustard yellow for a striking contrast. Choosing farmhouse furniture. Now let's furnish our farmhouse. Furniture is the heartbeat of a room. Distressed wood furniture is a cornerstone of farmhouse decor. Its weathered appearance adds character and warmth to a space. Look for pieces with natural finishes and visible wood grain. Balance the rustic charm of wood with soft, upholstered pieces. Opt for natural fabrics like linen, cotton, or velvet in neutral tones to maintain the farmhouse aesthetic. Incorporate vintage and antique elements to infuse your space with history and character. Repurposed furniture pieces, antique mirrors, or vintage-inspired lighting can add a unique touch. Incorporating farmhouse decor. Now, let's infuse your space with soul. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural materials into your decor. Wood, stone, rattan, and jute are popular choices. Consider using wooden accents, stone fireplaces, or rattan chairs. Soft textiles add warmth and comfort to a farmhouse home. Look for patterns like gingham, plaid, and floral in muted colors. Use throw blankets, pillows, and curtains to introduce these patterns. Galvanized metal adds a rustic industrial touch to farmhouse decor. Incorporate it through storage containers, lighting fixtures, or decorative items. Bring the outdoors in with fresh greenery and floral arrangements. Place potted plants, dried flowers, or fresh blooms in strategic locations to create a lively atmosphere. DIY farmhouse projects. To make your farmhouse truly yours, let's get creative. Give old furniture a new life with a farmhouse makeover. Use chalk paint, distressing techniques, and new hardware to transform pieces into farmhouse treasures. Creating a farmhouse-inspired gallery wall is a perfect way to showcase your personality and add visual interest. Curate a collection of framed prints, artwork, and family photos with farmhouse-inspired themes. Creating a rustic farmhouse home is a journey of infusing warmth, comfort, and character into your living space. By carefully selecting color palettes, furniture, decor, and DIY projects, you can transform your house into a cozy country retreat. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style while embracing the timeless charm of farmhouse living. Inspired to transform your home into a farmhouse haven? Check out our next video on for more practical tips and creative ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Let us know in the comments which farmhouse style you love the most.